So guys, ngayon nandito tayo sa kabilang side na. Yan, so kanina kasi nandun kasi tayo kanina, oh. Nandun tayo kanina.
Daddy, did you see?
So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo ngayon guys sa Roysalo Beach guys. So galing tayo dito sa city center, no. So papunta tayo sa Roysalo Beach. Yan, mag road trip tayo tapos manood tayo doon sa Roysalo Beach kung anong meron doon ngayon. So kasama ko nga pala ngayon yung anak ko. So kaming dalawa lang kasi naka-duty si Mrs. So kami lang dalawa ngayon.
And then we find coins.
Yeah, natuwa siya guys kasi nga nakahanap siya ng coins.
We don't find money yet. Is it so far or no? So far or no?
Yeah, just nakalimutan.
Say, is it the beach is so far?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Can you open my phone?
Say,
Unlock the no need. I will open it.
is it the beach is far or no?
Yeah, little bit far.
A little bit?
Yes. Nakalimutan ko pala mag Google Map. Baka kasi lumagpas tayo ba. So sige lang, try natin na walang Google Map muna.
I have no money. Yay. I have money. I have money already. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
much cold.
And not so very, 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 very strong wind.
Yeah, if there's no strong wind, so we can go fishing tomorrow. Okay?
When it's not raining and strong wind in nighttime, still, and then we can go.
So dito guys, mag-right turn na tayo dito. So dito na yung papuntang Roy Salo guys. Ayan, so natatandaan ko pa pala. Kahit walang Google Map na ginamit natin. Ayan.
We go there and the right. Are you there? Are we here?
We go still straight.
Are we there?
Not yet. It's so boring daw.
Daddy,
Mm.
are you so Daddy, Daddy,
Mm.
when we go into the house in Lido, so when you driving, no,
No.
you don't vomit in the car.
No.
You wait first.
Of course. Only Rainier vomit in the car.
Yes,
Boy.
because it's so far.
Boy.
That's why. Are we there?
Almost there.
Okay. I think we're so close.
So ito yung ano guys, tulay na nagdudugtong guys sa island na yan guys. Kasi nga putol ito guys putol. So hindi ito karugtong guys. So ito lang ang tulay guys, ang dahilan kung bakit to magkadugtong. Kasi hiwalay kasi ito guys So yun, nakalagpas na tayo sa tulay.
Wait, don't go there. Oh. Wait, don't go there.
No,
Go there.
we go straight.
It's not the beach. There's no sand.
We will go to the beach but we will not go swimming.
Oh.
We just look around there and let's see what it's there. So tama ba yung English ko guys? Hindi ako marunong mag-English napipilitan lang ako Kasi nga yung kausap ko English kasi siya
Are we there?
Not yet.
Wait, there's the bus stop and there's the other one too.
Hmm.
Because the bus go there, the bus go other side. In
Hmm.
there. Yeah, we found money. We found money. We found money. Daddy, why you need sunglasses? Why?
Because there's a sun.
But I don't need sunglasses.
You don't need, it's fine.
What my sunglasses? It's not my eyes.
Put your coins in your pocket.
See?
Put your coins in your pocket.
No. Because they cannot fit.
Give me your coins, I will put
But
it
it's
here.
my coins.
Yeah, I know it's your coins.
I want to just hold. Give me the hold.
Okay.
Mommy, look at Daddy.
Hmm?
Remember, we found the one coin, but remember the other coin, it's missing.
Mhm.
That's now gone.
Mhm. summer pa ako nakapunta dito eh. Matagal na rin, so medyo nalito ako. Pero ngayon nandito na talaga tayo. Pinakadulo kasi itong beach na pinuntahan natin guys. Ayan. So hanap lang tayo ng pwedeng pag-parkingan natin guys.
Are we there now? Are we there now?
Yeah, we're here.
Yay! Take up the seatbelt.
Oh, not yet. Not yet, not yet.
Why? You don't park yet?
Yeah, we will find a parking first.
Seatbelt.
Maybe we will go there. Next bit.
I think.
Yes, we are here. Hi guys, kasama ko ngayon guys yung bunso ko guys. Punta kami sa sa beach. So tara na. Doon tayo punta. Let's go Ar. Let's go. Hold me. There's a car ba? Hold me. Let's go there. Titingnan namin guys kung anong meron ngayon dyan. So wala pa naman sigurong naliligo dyan kasi sobrang lamig pa eh. So may pumupunta lang dyan. Siguro may naglalaro dyan. So check lang din natin. Ayan, may mga tao din, may mga bata din na nandun. Pero napaka-imposible talaga na may maligo na dyan kasi nga
Yeah, my coin.
malamig pa ngayon
My
dyan.
one coin with.
Give me your coins.
The phone down.
Give me your coins.
No.
So ayan. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dyan ngayon.
Maybe I don't need the hood anymore.
So ito na guys. Ito yung nila, beach nila. So simple lang.
I want to
ganitong
play
itsura lang. So dyan no,
playground.
may dyan. Kung mag-ihaw ka dyan, pwede. Tapos meron pa din doon sa sa kabilang side. Ayan. So pwede ka maglaro dito guys ng ng volleyball. Ayan o. So may laruan din sa mga bata na nandyan. Ayan. Punta tayo banda doon. Buti na lang hindi masyadong mahangin ngayon kasi kung sobrang mahangin ngayon malamig. Buti na lang. Oh, may naligo na kahit sobrang lamig.
Let me play.
Yeah. So may naligo na pala guys. Ayan o. Pero sa bagay yung mga finish kasi guys, kahit winter pa may yelo, naliligo kasi yan sila. Ngayon pa ba? Ayan. So ito na yun guys. Ito yung Roy Salo Beach. Ayan. So tingnan natin yung tubig nila. Oh, medyo ngayon, medyo malinaw yung tubig nila ngayon guys. Ayan. Malinaw yung tubig. Wala pa kasi masyadong naliligo kaya malinaw. Yan. So meron din doon sa sa kabila din guys. Meron pa doon. So nung naligo kasi kami dito last summer. So doon kami sa kabilang side. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo ngayon doon. Okay. Let's go there ta. Hey, careful oh, there's so many poop, animals poop. Let's go na, Renye.
Where are we going?
Let's look there. So, punta tayo guys sa kabilang side. Ayan. Come here, come here. Come here. So, ito guys.
So big hill. There's a big hill right up.
Buti na lang talaga hindi mahangin. Kasi malamig dito.
We're going up.
Malamig.
We're going.
So, maraming kahoy dito sa ano, sa bandang ibabaw. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, may nag-ihaw-ihaw dyan. So, punta tayo dun sa ano. Come here, late yan. Punta tayo dito sa baba. Ayan. Come here.
Ah, it's a big hill.
Careful.
I got.
Ayan.
What a big hill.
Hey, do not run. So ito lang yan guys. Simple lang talaga guys yung ano nila dito. Beach nila.
Daddy?
Yes. Yes.
I like the big ocean.
Tapos ano medyo malayo yung tubig nila ngayon no. Kasi kapag ano kasi summer na talaga nandun yung tubig sa itaas eh. Yung ngayon napakababa na tubig nila oh. Hey, do not go there. Dangerous.
It's so cold.
Yeah, it's so cold and it's so deep water.
I'm gonna sink and I can.
Yeah, it's dangerous. So yan oh. Nice.
Out
Nice here. Maganda siya. So balik tayo dito guys pag summer na talaga. So ngayon hindi pa tayo makaligo dito eh. Let's go.